How to make your eyes stand out with makeup. You can use complementary colors from color wheel. So I have green eyes. I will try with red makeup to make my eyes stand out. We will use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette with most of red copper colors, this and this, and I have red eyeliner. I'm using eyeshadow base first, Urban Decay Eden. It gives the best canvas. Using the lightest one first. Now we will use this one. This is close to the red we have. I'm gonna use this one that is almost gone. Have red eyeliner pen. I'm not the biggest fan of red color, but I like colorful makeup. And I'm in my 40s. I have hooded eyes. If you see, I have small eyes, I have wrinkles, and I still don't give up on colorful makeup. Because I have small eyes and small eyelids, for some reason I like to make that line thicker and longer, but visually it makes eye bigger. So we're done with eyeshadow and eyeliner. I'm gonna put mascara now, and I'm gonna change clothes to something red and bright. So let's see if it's working with green eyes. So I finished my makeup. I changed my clothes into something colorful with red flowers. I put colorful earrings on. Let me know in the comments how do you like complementary red colors on my eyes, and please like and subscribe. Bye.